Hello friends, here are some interesting English facts. So let's start now. About 4,000 words are added to the dictionary each year. The original name for butterfly was flutterby. The word lol was added to the Oxford English Dictionary in 2011. The word goodbye originally comes from an Old English phrase meaning God be with you. The first English dictionary was written in 1755. The oldest English word that is still in use is town. The longest word in the English language in 45 letters long. Pneumonoultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. It is the scientific name for a type of lung disease. It's some interesting English facts from which we got more knowledge about English language. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.